Accounts for not-for-profit organizations or non-trading concerns. Introduction. The accounting system you have studied so far relates to the organizations which are engaged in some kind of business activities. The accounting records are usually important for welfare organizations which may not be doing any business, such as clubs, societies, educational institutions, hospitals, etc. They are basically charitable institutions which functions without any profit motives. They are usually termed as non-trading concern or not-for-profit concern. Such organizations also have to keep proper record of their receipts and payment and match their expenses with incomes. This is legal requirement and at the same time it helps them to control their expenditure. Of course, because of the nature of their activities, the accounting system followed by them is slightly different. In this unit, you will learn about the accounting records of such non-trading concern and study how they prepare their final account. The non-trading concern like clubs, societies, etc. differ from trading concern in several aspects. They normally do not indulge in buying and selling of goods and accepting or receiving of bill of exchange. The major source of their income usually are subscriptions from its members, donations, etc. and most of their transactions are cash transactions. Hence, they need not maintain any books of accounts as the trading concern do. The main objective of keeping records in such concern is to meet the statutory requirement and exercise control over the utilization of fund. Hence, they usually maintain a cash book to record all receipt and payment, or separate cash receipt journal and cash payment journal to provide the necessary details, and other books like members register, minute books, stock register, etc. You are fully conversant with cash book. Let us have a brief idea about the other books. Members register. Most charitable institutions are organized as societies which are registered with the registrar of societies. They are required to keep full record of their subscribers, called members. Hence, they maintain a members register which shows their name, address, date of admission, etc. Number 2. Minute books. The societies function on the basis of decision taken by the general body of members and their managing committees. They have to keep separate minute books for recording the proceedings of the meeting of general body and that of the managing committee. Minute book is a permanent record of the decision taken from time to time. Number 3. Stock register. Every society possesses fixed assets like furniture, office equipment, etc. They have to keep a complete record of these items in a register called stock register, which shows the date of purchase, quantity purchased, the amount at which it was purchased, etc. Similarly, they also keep a stock register for consumable items like stationery, sports material, etc., which, in addition to the details of purchase, will also show their consumption and balances. The non-trading concern also maintain a ledger containing the accounts of all income, expenses, assets and liabilities. This facilitates the preparation of final accounts at the end of the accounting year. We'll do the final account in the next video. Thank you.